Good evening. You are with the big story here. I'm Seher Zama. Let's make a start on the latest of yet another face-off between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP in Delhi. But this has happened following an incident that has taken place at the DJP, the Delhi Jal Board's office. It is yet another controversy between the two parties, and this time AAP has accused BJP and its party workers here of vandalizing the office of Delhi Jal Board, the headquarters. The DJP's vice chairperson, who is also AAP MLA, Raghav Chadha, has tweeted out a video there of the vandalized spaces, property and office here, of the damaged area, showing broken doors, broken flower pots, glass strewn across the floor. Raghav Chadha there has also accused the BJP of vandalizing his own office, who is the vice chairperson of the board there, and threatening the staff as well. Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal, Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia have also lashed out, accusing them and calling them cowards. We have with us our correspondent Alok, who's getting us further inputs here. Alok, what are your sources telling you? This is, of course, away from what the AAP leaders have been alleging and tweeting out in form of videos of the vandalized spaces of the office, but what has actually happened there on ground?
See, Seher, yes, definitely there was a BJP protest that was going on outside the office of Delhi Jal Board. That is located in central Delhi's Karol Bagh area near Jhande Balan. And there around 12 noon, there was a call by the BJP leaders to come to gather there to protest against the water problem that usually happens in the national capital. And also there was a scam that was alleged by always BJP on the Aam Aadmi Party related to the water. So that is why they wanted to protest at that point in time. And somehow there were some people who managed to get inside the DJP office. Usually some police personnel deployed there, but at that point in time police personnel were not also there. Only the security guards were there. Then they went inside and they wanted to barge inside the office of Raghav Chadha. When the security staff stopped them, then there was a minor scuffle also happened between them, and then there was vandalization happened. Soon after, the police call was made, and then somehow the whole thing was pacified. What the police now told us that there are 30 people have been detained. That also include the BJP workers and BJP supporters. Now the police is saying that as soon as they get any complaint, because nobody has given the written complaint to them, but they have, as precautionary measure, they have immediately detained the people. Now their further interrogations are also going on. But Seher, I would like to tell you that this is not the first such case. Earlier also we saw there are some BJP when the BJP protest was going on near the house of Deputy CM, then also we saw there were some of the people who managed to trespass the house. Also there was the case was registered, and 3-4 persons were also arrested. So definitely this raises question on the law and order situation of the national capital. Back to you.
That's right, but Alok, has the police given a detailed list of all the 30 of them in the midst of this vandalization who've been detained? Does this also include senior Delhi BJP leaders or the Delhi BJP chief here as well?
As of now, they have not given the list of the persons who are detained, but they are saying that they are verifying their details, who are they, whether they are actually the BJP supporters or the mischievous elements. But none of the BJP senior leader is detained. That is confirmed by the police. Now their verification is going on. As soon as they get any written complaint from the Aam Aadmi Party, then they will, or the DJP office, then only they will register the FIR and then put them under arrest. Back to you.
Right, Alok, and in the sequence of events, of course, in what AAP is saying and releasing videos here as well, have you had a word with the security as well on what exactly happened, if this is, as the BJP claims, that this was a peaceful protest here? How did this suddenly turn violent, and who was really vandalizing the office property of the Delhi Jal Board headquarters there?
Well, this is the matter of investigation and police is doing it. But as far as the police, what the police sources told us, yes, there were around 50 to 60 BJP supporters and workers were there, and they were continuously raising slogans. And in fact, they wanted to barge the office of Raghav Chadha, who is vice chairman of Delhi Jal Board. What they wanted to do after barging into the office, nobody knows, but some of them wanted to go inside. At the same time, no police personnel was deployed at that place, and they somehow managed to trespass, and they get inside. And when they went inside, when they about to reach the office, at the same time, the security staff which is deployed, the personal security staff of the Delhi Jal Board, they intervened, and there was a scuffle broke out between them as well, in which what we are learning, there are some persons also got injured, but we have not got the figure that how many people injured. But later after that, the police came, and then they managed to control the situation. Back to you.
Right. A final question here, Alok. What was the BJP, what was the issue that the BJP there was raising? What was the reason for that protest there outside the DJP's office?
Well, Seher, as I already told you that there were some allegation on the Delhi Jal Board about the scam, about the water scam, and there are water crisis. Usually we see that the problem of water crisis across the national capital, sometimes it happens. Sometimes poor water also comes in the tap. All these allegations were there on the Aam Aadmi Party, and that's why the BJP had called this protest outside Delhi Jal Board, and that is why they were doing this protest. So right now, what was the exact, how it all had happened, that is being investigated by the police. Police say as soon as they get the complaint in the written form, then they will register the case. Back to you.
All right, Alok, many thanks for getting us those details. Let's also take a listen into what Raghav Chadha here has stated on how this incident took place.
अभी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के गुंडे तमाम नेता दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के मुख्यालय पर आए, झंडेवालान में स्थित ये मुख्यालय है, और पूरे ऑफिस को तोड़-फोड़ दी, पूरे ऑफिस को वैंडलाइज किया गया। आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं, पूरे ग्लास फर्श पे बिखरा हुआ है, ग्लास तोड़ दिए, गमले तोड़ दिए, स्टाफ पर अटैक किया गया, दरवाजे तोड़ दिए, बेंचेस उखाड़ दिए, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की फ़ोटो थी उसे तोड़ दिया, उसे दीवार से खींचकर फ़ोटो फाड़ दी, और बुरी तरीके से हमारे ऑफिस को अभी वैंडलाइज किया गया है। हमारा स्टाफ घबराया हुआ है। कुछ लोग जो हमारे यहाँ पे महिलाएं काम करती हैं वो घबराई हुई हैं, वो कमरे से तक निकलने में भी घबरा रही हैं। कुछ लोगों के मुंह से खून आ रहा है, फर्श पे खून की बूंदें पड़ी हुई हैं। बुरी तरीके से उन्होंने पूरे ऑफिस को तहस नहस कर दिया।